Understanding percentage increase, a simple guide. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into an important mathematical concept that can be very useful in our daily lives. Percentage increase. Whether you're shopping, working on personal finance, or just curious about numbers, understanding this concept can be very beneficial. So, let's break it down together in a simple and clear way. Percentage increase is a way of expressing how much a certain value has gone up, as a proportion of its original value. It's a measure that tells us by what percentage an initial amount has increased over time. For instance, if the price of an item goes from $100 to $110, the price has increased, but by what percentage? That's what we're here to figure out. Calculating percentage increase involves a few simple steps. 1. Subtract the original value from the new value to find the increase. 2. Divide this increase by the original value to find the proportion of increase. 3. Multiply this proportion by 100 to convert it to a percentage. Let's apply this to an example. Original price, $100. New price, $110. Increase, $110 minus $100 equals $10. Proportion of increase, $10 divided by $100 equals 0.1. Percentage increase, 0.1 times 100 equals 10%. Understanding percentage increase can be incredibly useful in various real-life scenarios. Budgeting, tracking how your expenses have increased over time. Shopping, comparing discounts and price increases on products. Investing, measuring the growth of your investments. Business, calculating growth in sales or revenue. By mastering this concept, you can make more informed decisions in these areas. And there you have it, a simple guide to understanding and calculating percentage increase. We hope this explanation has made the concept clearer and that you can now apply it confidently in your daily life. Remember, practice makes perfect. So don't hesitate to use this knowledge whenever you can. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.